Come on. Come on. My sweet tooth is craving Applebee's Sizzlin Butter Pecan Blondie. 4 ounces of pecans chopped. Sift 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1 cup of softened butter, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, and 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar. 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and beat on medium speed for 2 minutes. Add in 2 beaten eggs, add the flour mixture, and cold milk. And beat until creamy. Now add the white morsels, the chopped pecans, and fold the ingredients together. Now spread the batter in a greased 9x13 baking dish and bake at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. With your blondie in the oven, it's time to make the maple cream cheese sauce. Start with an 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup of pure maple syrup, 1/2 cup of whole milk, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And beat until creamy. Why does Applebee's call this a sizzling blondie? Let me show you. Top it with your favorite vanilla ice cream, hit it with the cream cheese maple sauce, and sprinkle it with chopped pecans. This video goes out to Cheryl Butler, and as usual, if you have a restaurant or a recipe that you'd like me to feature, drop it in the comments section. And as always, the full recipe and instructions can be found at restaurantreciperecreations.com. Cheers, y'all.